To change keyboard sounds to calm in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Good Lock, swipe up the screen to access the app screen, and then select Good Lock. Next, tap Case Cafe. Select Style Your Own Keyboard, and then select Sound. Select Calm Touch Sound. To preview, tap keyboard icon, and then you can hear Calm Touch Sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.